Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Single Line Code. So continuing from the previous video, as I discussed, I'll explain you what is if error and how can you treat this sort of errors. Last time in the video, I have told you that when you get this sort of error, you can hard code it as 0, but that is not suitable guys. When you have like huge amount of data, 1 lakh, maybe 10,000, 50,000. Will you go and hard code each and every value? That is quite time consuming, right? So what you can do is just click onto the first cell where the formula is there. Do an if error. If error, keep the same VLOOKUP formula and say 0. I prefer 0. You can prefer anything. See guys, this is automated, right? Automatically it's taken 0. If you don't want 0, you want to keep it as blank, it will automate. See, it kept it blank. If you want it to keep as at like not found, it will also give it that also. So see guys, not found. It's interesting, right? It's very good for analyzing the data. So this is all about today's video, guys. This was a small video. In the next lecture, I will show you another practical implementation of VLOOKUP. So what we will do, we will just evaluate this table and find out some insights, correct? Okay guys, thank you so much.